where to find the blood oxygen feature as well as how to use it. And this is for the AG's KE3 smartwatch, the one that looks like this here. And let's get started. While viewing the clock face on your smartwatch here, simply just press down on this crown button right here. Once you're here now, depending on the menu style you have selected, you will see all the apps or features found on your smartwatch. So go ahead now and rotate this to find the blood oxygen one. And as you're doing that, you're looking for the one that has that sort of red drop, this one right here. And you just keep rotating it until it appears in the middle. So what you can do now is tap on it one time, and that'll take you here to the blood oxygen itself, okay? And you'll see all this here. Now you wanna go ahead and place this onto your wrist. You'll notice how it starts to flicker brighter here, and that's gonna run the measuring for you again, okay? You just have to keep your hand steady. And of course, it's gonna be better if you have your watch strapped on. Yeah, just wait for it. It's gonna show you here normal, okay? And then these two down here, the percentages will update itself, okay? So just give it a few seconds. You'll feel the watch vibrate if you have your vibrate on, and that'll give you the proper reading, okay? So I just felt it, and then it's gonna give you that actual reading. And that's that, and like it's